Welcome to this episode of Money Sense. In this video, I will teach you on how to buy stocks using COL Financial. This is a recorded video in our webinar last April 17. Since I am buying consistently every month in COL Financial, I cannot wait till next month to record a video on how to buy in COL. That's why I decided to create a video from one of my webinar. In the webinar, I bought 3 stocks. These are Ayala Corporation, BDO, and Universal Robina Corporation. I will also show you the rest of the stocks I bought. Stock market is one of the best investments, especially this day that the pandemic is crippling businesses to do their usual job. If you have extra money, I suggest you put some of it on stock market and wait for the market to recover. In this video, I do not recommend that you trade on stock market, especially if you are a beginner. The cheapest way to invest in stock market is by buying stocks regularly every month. Without further ado, let me show you my portfolio on this system. As you can see, most of the stocks I bought are in red. Should I worry about this? No. Since my goal is long-term investment, what I'm going to do is just wait for it to turn green. And by the way, instead of worrying about it, you should be happy right now if you are investing consistently. This is the best time to buy stocks at a lower price. It's just like selling a mall. The price is being discounted right now. Since no one can time the market, all you need is invest consistently. Do not wait for the market to reach the bottom before you invest again. In my case, I scheduled my investment every second week of the month. Regardless of the price of the market, I still buy it. When you invest or buy a stock, consider it as an expense. Do not attach yourself on your stocks, thinking that it will be down or up tomorrow. Here's the stocks that I want to buy while pandemic is still there. But for now, I want to buy only Ayala Corporation, BDO, and Universal Robina Corporation. These stocks will easily recover at the right time. Before I order some stocks, let me first cancel some pending stocks I ordered before. This is an Ayala Corporation stocks which I ordered last March 23. Now, enter the password and click cancel order. Okay, we don't have pending orders right now. Next is we will enter a new order. If you do not know the stock code, just click the stock code link. So here, you can select the list of stocks. Just remember the stock code and then enter it in the order details. So example, AC for Ayala Corporation. And then select the or enter the number of shares that you want. This is determined by board lot. The minimum board lot is 10. If you want to add a number of shares, you have to add the minimum board lot. Example, 10 plus 10 equals 20. Then enter the price and then click the preview order. And then enter the password and click the place by order. Now we have both or we have ordered AC for Ayala Corporation. Let's view the order under the view or modify order tab. Here you can cancel if you like, and then you can also change the number of shares. Okay, we'll add a new order. So in this case, we will order BDO stocks. Then for the number of shares, say let's order 20. And for the price, sample 106.5. Since we have available cash, we will increase our number of shares, say 100. Then preview order. Then enter the password and click place by order. That's for video. Let's view the order status. So as you can see, Ayala Corporation is still pending. It's not yet bought. Nobody is selling for the price of 590 pesos. Okay, so we will also buy another stock, which is the Universal Robina Corporation. Let's enter order again. Then type the stock code, URC. The board lot for this is also 10. Say we will buy 20 shares for 125.1, which is the highest bid as of now. Let's try this for a moment. So our order will be successful. Let's use 10 shares. Preview order. Enter the password. Place by order. Okay, let's view the history or the order status. As you can see, we have already bought URC and BDO, but AC is still pending. No one is selling for the price of 590, so we'll still wait for somebody to sell their stock at 590. We'll buy additional URC stock. Say for example, the number of shares is 50 and the amount is 125 instead of 125.1. For the GTC, it will hold for 60 days. If no one is selling at 125, it will still hold within 60 days. And for the at the closing ETC, the system will determine the price at the end of the day. So we'll not use that one. We'll use the term day. We'll buy at 200 shares. Then preview order. Enter the password and place by order. So that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video.